how to fix something went wrong in TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're having that issue, you can follow the steps. So the first step you can do is you can go ahead and close up your TikTok application and again reopen it and see if that works or not. This can often resolve issues. Otherwise, you can go ahead and long press on the app and head over info section at the top. And after heading over there, scroll down, go to storage, and from storage, please go to clear cache and try opening the TikTok application again. Apart from that, make sure you also have proper internet connection because that may be the issue, and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to troubleshoot if connectivity is causing the issue can also help fix it. So that's it for now. These are the methods you can apply up if that fix something went wrong in TikTok is appearing on your screen. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.